Hi guys, what's going on? 864 Rebuilds, back to do some more rebuilds. Sorry that I haven't been posted on the Corvette. I just had a business opportunity and I took it. That's why you guys didn't see a whole bunch about the Corvette. But here's the new build. It's already actually built. I'll show you around. Ford Escape. Damage was, all it needed was a fender, 2 headlights, and a front bumper. And I already got that done. Kind of ran on the paint right here. Not a perfect job, but let me try to see. Right there, you can see one of the runs right there. Not a perfect job, but it's good for a daily. Not too bad. Let's check out the interior. It's actually locked. Let me unlock it real quick. Today, what we're gonna be doing on it, we're gonna be doing the axle. There's the interior. Not too shabby. 70K miles on it, but the seat's all worn out. Not too shabby. But today, we're gonna be doing a rebuild on this axle right here. For some reason, these two, it's an all-wheel drive, but the 2 front tires only spin. So for some reason there's something wrong, and we're gonna jack it up. We're gonna look under there. We're gonna see what's going on, and I have parts coming in already. I looked under there, and it was the axle, and the axle was just spinning in the CV joint. So, and I drove this car for 200 miles. So, and those 200 miles, when I was driving it, could have locked up, and I would have been screwed. I could have flipped the car or did something to it, but good thing it didn't happen. But we're gonna be doing that rebuild on the, not the rebuild, but the changing the axle out today. Stay tuned. pulled the axle out. Let me show you what happened to it, man. It went straight. Snap City. I don't know. There you go. Snap City, right? Clean in half. I don't know why or how it happened in there. Maybe in the rack, maybe in something, but it just went straight. Snap City. Hold on, let me get the good light. Snap City. Yep. I don't know how that happened. Crazy what happens in accidents, you know. Because when I got the car, it never even had 4x4. When I drove it in the rain, I floored it and the front tire spin. And I was like, man, it's supposed to be 4-wheel drive, but it didn't have any 4-wheel drive. So I was like, gotta jack it up and gotta see. Jacked it up. And this tire wasn't spinning, that one was spinning, and both two fronts were spinning. Just this one. Only thing I was spinning in this one was this axle. But I got the new axle right here. Thing is, the new axle is an inch shorter than the OEM one. If you line it up carefully, hold on. Boom, you line it up, and you can see in these CV, the axle right here, an inch bigger. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or it stretches or it's supposed to be like that, but I'll try to fit it in there and see what happens. Alright guys, so I got the axle in. It's already in. I'm getting everything tidied up, using a jack to help me compress the struts and get the control arms aligned and everything in there. Show you how I got it in right there. Oh, it was a long battle getting that in. So tough. Man. Hopefully O'Reilly's gave me the right one. It looked like it was an inch shorter, but maybe it'll stretch out and look pretty good. But see you guys when I get this all together. I got everything tightened down to OEM ratios. Got the drum back on. Got everything in there. Axle's tight. Nut is tight. Everything. Tires ready to go back on. All we gotta do is clean up the garage. It's ready to rage, guys. Hopefully it snows this weekend. Got some content coming soon. Give a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe for more. And new build is supposedly on its way. I want it today on Copart on approval. Don't know if I got it yet. Let you guys know.